Okay, so let's do this from the beginning. Create sketch on this plane, and it's just a circle. Let's set it to 52 millimeters. Finish sketch and extrude this. 32 and a taper angle of -17. Looks good. And for the second sketch, the bottom here, I will make this a little bit simplified. So instead of those splines, I will use what's called slots. Center point slot. So something like that, maybe 10 millimeters wide. And it's a bit close to this edge, so let's set this to maybe 37 or even smaller, 35. Okay, and now for the pattern in the sketch. Double click this to get all of it. Select center point, and 3 will be just nice. So finish sketch, and then make this line up here, like so. Finish sketch, and then the move copy on this, but we don't want to move it, just leave everything at 0, but create copy, like that. And then it's time for the sweep. So profile would be all of these. And the path. So let's try 340. And I'm not sure why distance became 0. So it should be 1. Maybe I had the wrong window there. Oh, wrong again. So twist angle. Like that. Sorry. And okay. And as you see, it took away a little bit much. So let's go back to this sketch and edit it. Maybe set this to 7 instead. And it may come a little closer to the edges. So 38 perhaps. Okay, that will do. So, oh, now I cut both objects with that sweep. So edit that. Objects cut should be just one of them. So now it's time for the combine. Cut and keep tools. So there we have it. And now it's time for that what's called offset face, so they don't jam. And you can select one by one like this, but let's do it another way. If you look from the front, and if you drag from the right to left, it selects everything the selection box touches. And we needed all those faces, but not this one. So control click on that, and all the faces we need are selected. And distance minus 0.5. So that made a little gap between them. Maybe that's enough for your printer, or maybe you need to make a larger gap. And we can do the same thing on this part. So minus 0.3 perhaps will do it. Okay. And then just the move command to pull them apart. Ready to